What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Friday, September 18th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So today was a very interesting day. I did catch that big move that happened to the downside. I knew that it was looking to really push through there, and I was a little nervous that the spot was going to hold a little bit and was going to pull back a little more. So I was moving my risk in little by little. I traded far more than I normally would. There's 11 trades, but I did really well today. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback about today's video. I really I'm super glad that y'all are here with me. Don't forget, we've got that 40% with you profit trader off of the 75 Freedom account for life. So go and check that out. We'd love to have you here with us. So hope everybody has a wonderful weekend and enjoy the show. So it's never easy, is it? I don't know what happened here, y'all, but there is sound, but it's making a crazy clicking noise throughout it. And if you want to hear it, I'll put it up there. But I'm going to talk about what it is I am talking about here in the daily chart. So what we're looking at is the fact that we came back to that EMA and the MACDs are still pushing down. So it has a much better chance of going down than it does up. But in that same breath, we're right in that area of the EMA that's held a couple of times. So we are down at the zero line with the MACDs. We're at the EMA. It is an area that will give problems, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hold like a rock. We do see later that it pushes through there a little bit, but for now, what we're looking at is the fact that it's hanging out at this area and it's not quite ready to push through there yet. I have no idea what I talked about and all this stuff, but we'll come back to it whenever those trades are ready. I did try and grab a few trades here. I couldn't make it into them, so we'll just go ahead and move on to the next trade. These BBs are leading higher each time. Give this, am I? I am. I'm going to give it a shot. Ooh. Yeah, okay. A little too early. That's what happens when I step away sometimes. Break even. Okay, it's coming back for it, okay? Let's see see if this next one's going to be the one that pushes through it. I chased that one, y'all. I'm probably about to pay for it. Right there. See if I can grab two more right there. Just need to see it drop like a rock. I'm moving that to a break even. And we'll take this first one right here. It's just not pushed through. What it could do is just pull right back up above here, snap it and go. Ooh, like that. Okay. Now ready for the last? There we go. I'm just moving things way too quickly. We're gonna see this go right here. Let's see if I can pull back and grab me one more time, and then we're done for today after this trade. I'm going to take one here, but here we go. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pull this one in just a little tighter. I want to take 6 points off of that. These bars are so tiny that they could really pop back. I'm going to pull this back just a little bit. There we go. Ladies and gents, I think I'm done for today. All right, let's see how we did. Okay. 28.75 points. 11 trades. And that includes 1, 2, 3, 4.5 losses. And now this was a little bit more, what's the word I want to use? Risky trading than I usually do. Let's look back here, make sure there's nothing I'm missing. So today's total was plus 28.75 points. Well, folks, as they say, that's a wrap. That's going to end up my Friday. It's been a great week. No complaints. Even though yesterday was a very small price-wise day, I only walked home with like $43 or something like that. It still helped me to really remember to keep my mind in the right place. We're gonna have class next weekend, not this weekend. So just remember that, folks. If you've got questions, you know where to find me. I hope everybody has a great Friday, a wonderful weekend. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.